Alright guys, we're in the middle of nowhere. We're at a little park that runs along a little creek called Goose Creek. We are near Middleburg, Virginia. Let me grab my pole. Alright guys, I've never been here before, so we're gonna try to find the water. It looks like we're coming up to a bridge here. I'm thinking I gotta go down here, but that's looking pretty steep. Oh, that's the other way up, so alright. We're gonna go down. This should be interesting. Let's try not to bust our ass. Oh yeah, we made it. So there's a lot of Civil War activity that took place here. What the fuck? Some sort of old piece of pottery of some sort. I don't know how old that is. Cool bridge here. I don't know if there's even any water in this creek right now. A little bit, not a lot. We gotta figure out how to get down there. Let's check this out. Oh, it's quiet down here. Found a little beach. It's really shallow. Very shallow. It's not terrible right here. I'll at least get this pole cast ready. Alright, let's give it a cast. Maybe we'll get some first cast magic. We're going out here with just a rooster tail. Alright. I wish I could see in here a little better. I don't see any fish. That doesn't mean there aren't any. Alright, maybe over here. Still not seeing anything. Can't see shit with this view. Little trail over there. All right, guys, this looks dope, but there's no real access down there other than right here, and getting up here is gonna be a bitch, but you know what? There's gotta be a fish in there. Let's go for it. Just barely busted my ass. No one saw. Bunch of deer tracks down in here. Yo, I'm thinking we got a fish in here. I can't see any, but guys, we're having absolutely no luck with this rooster tail, or actually we got the trout magnet on right now. We're having absolutely no luck with this trout magnet. This is a beautiful little spot right here though. I'd love to catch a fish here, but I'm not sure if there's any here. Walk down here a little bit. Nothing. Thinking under this bridge they might want some shelter. No luck. Man, I wish I was catching fish here, but just finding this new spot is pretty cool. This is a really pretty little area. There's absolutely nobody around. So just to come out here and just be in nature is pretty awesome. It's a beautiful fall morning. I think it's gonna get up to like 70 degrees. It's only like 50 right now, but gorgeous day. We're gonna go put on a little rooster tail again and see if switching it up might not bring a fish out. Here's my smallest rooster tail. Just a black on black. We got a silver spoon on it. Let's get this thing wet. And it looks good in there. I would have eaten it. Look at those leaves. Bright orange. We got deer tracks everywhere in this sand. All right, guys, we had no luck here at this first spot, but we don't give up. So on to the next spot. This spot was really cool. Nobody around, so I might be back one day, but for now, all the fish are sleeping. To the next spot. So if anybody wants to know where not to go fish, here's where I just was. Battle of Upperville, Goose Creek Bridge Historic Park. Yo, big bunny girl. All right, guys, we're here at the second spot. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish here. Let's do it. Alright, guys, we got a little dam right here, and I've always had some pretty good luck here. So if I'm ever getting skunked, I try to come up here. water's looking a bit dirty right now. Oh yeah. Ugh. It's looking very dirty. I might have to switch from this rooster tail to something weedless. Oh yeah, there's all sorts of, see these trees? I don't know if you can see that. There's all sorts of downed wood and stuff in here. Man. Well, I've always had good luck down in here as well. So if this doesn't work here, oh, and first cast, we got it stuck on a branch. Let's try this again. Oh, we can't fish today, boys. All right, guys. Oh yeah, that's terrible. All right, guys. We're gonna have to go down here. I kind of want to like ungunk all that stuff up, but it's not my place really. Let's throw this here. Huh. Well, guys, we're doing the unthinkable. Micro Creek Whopper Plopper? Who knows? You don't know if you don't try. Because we're gonna walk across this river, this dam real quick. All right, new spot acquired. Oh, it's nice and clear up there. Let's chuck this over there. Damn, y'all. We having no fucking luck. I want to throw this one. Guys, we just aren't getting a bite to save our life. Not too sure what the deal is, but sometimes it just be like that. Obviously, I'd rather be catching fish, but am I completely upset? Nah. Would I rather be doing this than be at work? Yeah. I'm having a grand old time. Alright guys, we're trying one last thing. We're chucking a frog out here. I don't expect anything. I haven't seen a single fish all day, but you know what? Who knows? How's it going? Not much, man. Alright guys, we ain't catching jack shit. That guy just took a picture of me. I do not feel comfortable with it. And he took a picture of my car. So we are dipping out of here, you guys.